Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change the SIM pin on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find biometrics and security. Now we have to scroll down again to enter other security settings. It should be at the very bottom, and on the other hand at the very top, if we will enter those settings, we've got set up SIM card lock, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on change SIM card pin. And as you can see right here, we have to enter the current one. So let me enter my PIN, tap on OK, and here we can finally enter the new one. So let me enter it, tap on OK, and here we have to re-enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, which means that after restarting your device, whenever you will restart your device actually, it will require the new pin, of course, if you will have the SIM card inserted. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.